Alright guys, so today, ooh, you can see my footsies. Today we're going to be unboxing the Comica BoomX-D D2 wireless mics. So, let's get started. Where is my cute, adorable, oh, here it is. And where's my trash bag? Got it. Oh goodness. Goodness gracious. Okay. Let's get all the plastic cut up. This is a brand new audio equipment. Now, I would give you guys different angles, but I don't want to expose the rest of my room. So we're just not gonna do that. I'm really excited for these because I've watched a lot of videos and done my research on these, and I have the Zoom little voice recorder, and I spent a bunch of money on that when I was in college. So these, though, they can connect to your flipping camera. That's so awesome. And what your audio that you're hearing from me right now is not my phone, but my DJI Osmo Pocket 2, because I have one as well, and I'm using a lavalier connected to the transmitter. So, oh my gosh, it's so new that was a toughie. Alright, let's move it closer. Alright, I don't think we need her anymore, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. No fucking way. So there's nothing else in the box, so we're just gonna break down the box first. Alright, break down the box first, and bye-bye box. Bye-bye. I'm not returning this, so. Oh my gosh. So, on top of this one, ouch, ouchie, 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 I also have this Comica mic. You can't see Comica, but it's in there. So this is the case, and all of the microphone pieces to that microphone is actually right here. So this thing, I love it. It works great on top of my camera, and it sounds just like a Rode. So if you don't want to spend that much money on a Rode mic, this is a really good company to invest in, because it's a bit more affordable. So here's this. I love this little loop. Okay. I'm way too excited for this. They're stunning. They're absolutely fucking stunning. Are you kidding me? So, what's this cable? Oh. Alright. So, we got 1 cable, 2 cable, I think this is a lapel, or actually this one might be a connector. This is definitely a lapel mic. So the Comica BoomX-D 2 comes with 2 transmitters and already comes with 2 lapels, so you don't have to buy a separate lapel, which are actually pretty fucking expensive. They're like $10. And then here is the mic muff. I think it's just for one. Oh, actually it comes with 2 mic muffs. I did see that. That's really cool. Let's open these up. Should have my trash bag handy dandy ready to go. Alright, so should open it in a way where you guys can see what I'm doing. It's just an adhesive that's on here. I know it'd be easier if I ripped into it, but oh, goodness gracious me. So this is the smartphone plug. And I love that Comica labels everything on the tags. So don't cut off and throw away the tags. And that plugs into the transmitter and your camera or phone. Canon, Nikon, etc. So I'm sure I will plug this into my Sony and hopefully it works okay. USB-Cs? No way. Alright, before we unravel anything, I should go get the lapel. They already come with the clips. Y'all, I'm telling ya, this is a great company to invest in if you're a beginner, more serious filmmaker. Look at that. Do you guys see this? Do you see this? And the other lapel is gonna just be as glorious. Oh, of course, the plastic. Dude, that is a nice fat like cover for the lapel. I shit you not. And then here goes the mic muffs for the onboard mics. It just, goodness, look at this mic muff. Do you guys see this mic muff? So fluffy, so beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, I could just be a barbaric and my goodness, look at that beauty. She is actually stunning. I like that the user manual has this Ziploc bag. I feel like it can double as a Ziploc bag for all the stuff as well. There's a little key. There's a warranty card in here. Comica certification pass. Don't need that. Warranty card. Warranty policy. Comica provides 1-year warranty under normal use. Users can extend the warranty period by registering in our official website. This warranty does not cover damage resulting from accidents, misuse, abuse, alteration, tampering, or failure of the purchaser to follow normal operating procedures. Scratches and damage to the outer surface areas that appear more than 30 days after the date of purchase or caused by normal customer use. Damage, losses, defects, or malfunction as a result of force majeure, including fire hazard, flood, lightning stroke, traffic accident, and so on. This warranty is void if the product identification or serial number label is removed or defaced in any way. The product is serviced or repaired by anyone other than Comica or an authorized Comica service agency. Wow. Strict. Okay, user manual. Oopsie. There we go. Very important. I'm just going to read this off camera. Main features: 2.4G digital wireless global free frequency, dual channel wireless microphone, visual power, audio dynamic monitor, and other display functions, internal and external mic, 2 input modes, mono stereo switchable output modes, real-time audio monitor, special anti-loose design for microphone, broadcasting quality audio, RF technology, auto frequency adjustment, stable transmission, low latency, 20 ms, working range up to 100 meters, designed with multifunctional belt clip and compact. Please keep face to face when you use it, and don't turn your back to the receiver, otherwise it is easy to generate breaking points. Face to receiver, back to receiver, incorrect. Awesome. So I gotta charge everything, right? And you can plug in earbuds or headphones to the transmitter if needed. Does it come with belt clips? I'm just going to put these back in here, like how I found them. Won't mess with that. Looks like I'm gonna have to try to find my own little Ziploc bag. Alright. I'm gonna take twisty tie off of the USB-C cables. It's a 3-way charge with one cable. I love that. Alright guys. Oh my god. Here's how the transmitter looks like. There's a clip built on the back. I should probably keep these out to charge them so I could test it out on a later video. So this is a receiver. It looks like they all come with earbud jacks, so I guess everyone involved can listen to themselves. I gotta charge all of these anyways. Oh, beautiful. So it looks like on the side here is where you charge it. The little key comes in case you need to reset it right here. The pair button and the mute and on button. So here's the onboard mic where you would put the mus. So like put the muff on. Oh, that is adorable. Like so. This is so cute. Oh, my stomach is going crazy. Or like the lapel mic, you could just plug into this little outlet here. Love that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!